Hi everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. Welcome to week 8. Just finished lecture real quick. We'll be posting the lecture tomorrow morning as normal. I just wanted to apologize real quick. I noticed when I was hopping on real quick, I noticed that the first announcement did not post last night like it usually does. So, yeah, I'm gonna figure out how that went wrong. I apologize for that immensely. I talked about what was in the announcement in lecture today. I also spent some extra time on that. Other than that, we just pretty much focused on the middle. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, I apologize. That shouldn't happen again. Other than that, thank you for being patient. Thank you for being flexible. Again, my apologies about the error. And then, yep, go from there. But a lecture has been finished. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Other than that, thanks for being amazing. And again, my apologies about the missing announcement. We did cover any information on the lecture, and that should be pretty much it. There should be a second announcement later this week. Other than that, looking forward to your discussion post tonight. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. If you need anything, let me know. Other than that, have a good one. Bye-bye.